This video is only for educational purposes.
Picture rolling out of your driveway in the 2026 Lincoln Navigator Black Label L. Lincoln's most refined luxury SUV, stretched out to seat 8, delivers serenity and tow nearly anything in sight. Every time you unlock the tall, illuminated grille with the Lincoln star lighting up like a beacon, you already know this isn't ordinary. The exterior has been subtly refined for 2026. Larger grille patterns, sleeker LED headlights, and Black Label exclusive 24-inch radiant copper wheels. It commands attention without shouting. Inside, you're welcomed by a panoramic digital dash that spans nearly the full width of the cabin. Ford's Android-powered interface upgraded for Lincoln, with Pano mode for streaming or gaming, paired with Lincoln's spa-like Rejuvenate experience. Slip into the signature 30-way perfect position front seats, and in the second row choose heated, ventilated, massaging captain's chairs. Black Label owners also get wireless charging pads for back seats, up to 14 USB ports, and soft, quilted leather themes in atmospheric, enlightened, or invitation finishes with custom wood inlays. Under the hood beats the same twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 that delivers 440 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque, enough muscle to tow up to 8,700 pounds with the heavy-duty tow package. It's smooth, confident, and surprisingly hushed thanks to thick insulation. On the road it glides, yet handles its bulk gracefully thanks to adaptive suspension and optional Blue Cruise hands-free driving modes. Story-wise, here's the vibe. You're piloting Lincoln's flagship SUV, the long-wheelbase L version. It's more spacious, more presence, more prestige. Every detail, from split-gate tailgate with bench function to the tiered cargo shelf to Revel 28-speaker audio, turns duty into delight. Emotionally, this SUV isn't just about getting you there. It's about arriving. Arriving calm, focused, and luxurious. It's where sophistication meets utility, offering an experience beyond transformation. So here's the question. Would you pick the Navigator L Black Label to shuttle your team, tow your trailer, or just unwind in 5-star silence on the highway? Or is a luxury SUV still just for dinners and city streets? If this luxurious beast just stirred something in you, smash like, subscribe to Brake Limit Z, and comment below what Black Label theme suits your style. Desert copper or crisp invitation black? Mountains or Monday morning commutes? This is Brake Limit Z, where power meets poise and the journey matters more than the destination. I'll see you on the next ride.